Welcome to paulbur.com. In this video I will show you how to cook your steak. Come on, follow along. Add salt to the meat. Add pepper on top. Turn around and do the same. Put oil in a pan to heat. Put the meat in the pan. Leave the meat for 5 minutes. Check that the meat doesn't burn. Turn around if happy as I am. Leave the meat for another 2 minutes. Add rosemary. Throw some garlic. Leave for a couple of minutes. Add butter before serving. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your steak. Salad recipe is in the description and pop-up menu. Leave a comment if you have questions. And do subscribe to the channel.